in this session, let us discuss some problems of your textbook. So this is the first one. Think and discuss. What can you say about the values of sine A and cos A as the values of angles A increases from 0 degrees to 90 degrees? So see here, what is sine 0? Let me unmute you, Ma. Please cooperate with me. I'm on.
0, ma'am.
0, madam.
0, ma'am.
Yeah. What is sine 0? 0.
0, ma'am.
What is sine 30 degrees?
1 by 2, ma'am.
1 by 2.
2, madam.
What is sine 45?
1 by 2,
ma'am.
What is sine 60?
3 by 2.
3 by 2, ma'am.
3 by 2.
Very good. What is sine 90?
90.
1, ma'am.
1. Okay.
1, madam.
Sine 90 is 1. Okay. So see here, Ma. And can we write this as 0 by 2? This is 1 by 2. And can I write this as root 2 by 2? I'm multiplying and dividing with root 2. Root 2 by 2. What about this root 3 by 2? I'm making the denominator common. That's all. What is sine 90? 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. So see here, we have denominator is common in all these values. Do you observe this? Denominator is common in all these values. What about the numerator, Ma? It increases from 0 to 2. 0, 1, root 2, root 3, root 4 is nothing but 2. Is it clear? Is it increasing or decreasing? Increases. Yes. So,
Increasing.
see, observe these angles, Ma. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. What about this? These are also increasing. So what we say, whenever angle A increases, sine A also increases. Is it clear? From 0 to 90 degrees.
Yes, madam.
Is this clear to everyone? As
Yes, madam.
angle A increases from 0 to 90 degrees, sine A also increases. Sine A also increases. Is it clear? So what is the conclusion of this part? What we can say, if A is greater than or equal to B, then since it is increasing, what we can say, sine A is greater than or equal to sine B. This is true, isn't it? Is this clear to you, Ma?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, let us check cos. Okay, in the same manner, let us see cos, Ma. Cos. What about cos 0? 1. Very
madam.
good. What is cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. What is cos 45 degrees?
1 by root 2, madam.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
What is cos 60 degrees?
1 by 2.
What is cos 90 degrees?
0, ma'am.
What we will do here, we make the denominator common in order to compare. Okay, how we can write 0? 0 by 2. This is 1 by 2. And how we can write 1 by root 2? Root 2 by 2, multiplying and dividing with root 2. Next, this one, root 3 by 2. We are not changing that. How we can write 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
2 by 2. So, see, observe all these values, Ma. We have 2 common in the denominator. So, we compare numerator. So, how it is changing? It is decreasing, isn't it? It is increasing from here. So this is increasing from down. 0, 1, root 2, root 3, root 4. Okay. And what about this angles, ma? What about these angles? They are increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. They are increasing, isn't it? So when A increases, let us write here. When angle A increases from 0 to 90 degrees, isn't it? We are comparing only the angles of 0 and 90 degrees. What we can say, when angle A increases from 0 to 90 degrees, then what about cos A? Cos A decreases. Is it clear? So therefore, see here, ma, 0 is less than 45. What about 2 by 2 and root 2 by 2? If it is less than, this is greater than. Isn't it? The opposite sign. That means, therefore, if A is greater than or equal to B, then what we can say? Cos A is less than or equal to cos B. Opposite sign. Opposite inequality. Clear, everyone?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
we say that sine is an increasing function, cos is a decreasing function. So what's the answer for this? Is it true? Yes.
False.
Yes, madam.
True, ma'am.
No, for sine, this is true.
No, ma'am.
And for what about for cos?
False.
For cos, it is not true. Isn't
Not
it?
true.
We have given the reason
False.
also. Clear? So the as angle increases from 0 to 90 degrees, sine A increases, but cos A decreases. Isn't it?
Decreases, madam.
Okay, you remember this result, ma. Okay, so this is about think and discuss. Let us move to exercise problems, and tomorrow I will discuss a very, very important concept and a beautiful concept which is related to our history of trigonometry, ma. Okay, tomorrow we are going to discuss about a great mathematician who worked on this trigonometry. Okay, so let us solve first problem. Evaluate the following. These are very simple, ma. Okay, మీరు చాలా చాలా ఈజీగా చేసేస్తారా. జస్ట్ మనం యాంగిల్స్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం అంతే. What is sin 45?
1 by root 2.
1 by root.
Very good. 1 by root 2.
Root 2.
So what is cos 45?
1
by
by
root
root
2,
2.
madam.
1 by 2. 1 by root 2.
So if we add these two, we get 2 by root 2.
2 by root 2.
Clear? So let us see the second one. What is cos 45, ma? 1 by?
1 by root 2,
1
madam.
by root 2.
You have to give response, ma. What is secant 30? So in order to have secant 30, first we have to discuss about cos 30. Since secant is a reciprocal of cos.
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Very good, ma. Don't get confused. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Isn't it? What is cosecant 60? 1 by sine 60. What about 6? 2 by root 3.
2 by root
1 by 2, ma'am.
Very good.
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Don't get confused, ma. Okay. You simplify this. You will get root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 2. Clear? Root 3 by 4 root 2. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Cos 45 and 10 1 by
1 by
By-
root 2, madam.
1 by root 2.
secant 30 ante cos 30 ni reciprocal.
Yes, ma'am.
Cos 30
Root 2
ante
by-
root 3 by 2. Secant 30
Root
ante
2 by
2
1.
by root 3.
2 by root 3.
Cosecant 60 ante sin 60 reciprocal. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. The reciprocal of that is
Root
2
3
by
by 2,
root
madam.
3. X plus x is 2x, isn't it? So 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 into 2 by root 3 means 4 by root 3. So denominator by denominator goes upside. So look, it will come to numerator. So 4 root 3 will be in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 4 into, see here, this root 2 comes to the denominator. So the answer is root 3 by 4 into root 2. Clear up?
Yes, madam.
Okay, good, good. So let us solve the third one, ma. Third problem. You have to give response, ma. So
Yes, ma'am.
third problem. What is sine 30?
1
1 by
by
2,
2.
ma'am.
Very
by
good.
root
No, no, no,
1 by
ma.
2.
1 by 2. Someone
1 by 2,
saying
ma'am.
1 by root 2. Sine 30. All this
1 by
value should
2,
be
madam.
in our fingertips,
Madam,
ma.
1 by 2, madam.
1 by
Madam,
2.
1
What
by
is
2.
tan 45?
1.
1, ma'am.
1 by root 2.
Ma'am, tan 45.
Who is that,
1.
ma? Who is that, ma? You, all this value should be in your fingertips, ma. Okay, don't get confused.
Daddy,
Take your own time. What is cosecant 60? It's a reciprocal of sine 60. What
2
is
by
sine
root
60?
3, ma'am.
Root 3 by 2.
2
So we
by
get
root
2 by root
2
3.
by
Root 3
root
by
3,
2,
ma'am.
What is cot 45?
1 by
1, ma'am.
1.
1. Very good. What is cos 60?
1 by 2, ma'am.
1.
What is secant 30? It's a reciprocal of cos
2 by root
30.
3,
What
ma'am.
is
2 by
cos
root 3,
30?
ma'am.
by root
So we get
Root
2
3 by
by
2, ma'am. Reciprocal
2
2
by
by
root
root 3, ma'am.
2.
Can you tell me what is this value? Observe the numerator and denominator carefully, ma. Now tell
1,
me what.
ma'am.
1. Very good.
1.
Numerator and denominator are same. So we get 1. Is it clear?
Yes, madam.
Okay, let us move to the next one. Fourth one. What is that, ma? 2 into tan square. Observe the notations carefully, ma. If I write tan A whole square can also be written as tan square A. Is it clear? Tan A whole square anna, tan square A anna okate. What we are doing? What suppose we have sine square A, what it means? We have to square sine A. Is this notation clear to everyone? If you say yes, then only I will proceed.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Suppose if we have cos cube A, what it means, ma?
Cos A whole cube.
Whole cube.
Cos A
Very
whole
good.
cube.
Cos A whole cube. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Okay. So this is about a notation, ma. Don't get confused with that notation. So how we can, what is tan square A? It's nothing but tan
Tan
A
A whole square.
whole square. Tan A whole square. Clear? So now give response, ma. 2 into tan square 45 is nothing but tan 45 whole square. What is tan 45, ma? 1.
1, ma'am. 1 whole square. 1.
1 whole
Plus
square, madam.
cos square 30. That means cos 30 whole square. What is cos 30, ma?
Root 3 by
Root 3 by 2, ma'am.
Root 3 by 2 whole square minus
Whole square, madam.
something I missed to take photo of that, ma, to scan that. What is that? Sine square 60, ma. What is sine 60?
Root 3 by 2, madam.
Root 3 by 2, ma'am.
We are having square, so we write it here. So
Whole
this is
square.
equal to,
Root
So,
3
this value get cancelled. What is 1 square, ma? 1. 1
One,
into
ma'am.
2, 2.
2,
2,
ma'am.
madam.
So what is that value? 2.
2,
Clear?
madam.
2, ma'am.
So let us move to the fifth problem. What is the fifth problem? Secant square 60 minus tan square 60. Secant means always we have to find cos first. Okay, what is cos 60?
1 by 2, madam.
1 by 2,
1 by
ma'am.
2.
One.
What is the reciprocal of that?
2 by 1, ma'am.
2 by 1, madam.
2, ma'am.
2 by 1 means
2,
2.
ma'am.
So since we have square here, we write square minus. What is tan square 60? That means first we have to write tan 60, later square. What is tan 60, ma?
Root
Root 3.
Root 3, madam.
Since we have square, we are writing square. Okay.
Hello.
What is sine square 30?
1 by 2, ma'am.
1 by 2 whole square.
1 by 2 whole square, ma'am.
plus what is cos 30?
Root 3 by 2, ma'am.
Root 3 by 2, madam.
2 whole square. Very good.
Whole square, madam.
2 square is 4 minus 3 divided by what is 1 by 2 whole square? 1 by 4.
1
By
1 by
4.
4, madam.
What is root 3 by 2 whole square? 3 by 4.
3 by
Yes,
4.
ma'am. Root
2
3
minus 3 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So we get
1.
clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear or do you have any doubt and simplification of this?
No, madam.
Ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So let us do the next problem. This one, ma. Okay. So tell me what is tan 30? Let us solve it here. Okay. Let us take this as left hand side. Let me take that as left hand side. Tell me, ma, what is left hand side in that problem?
2 tan 30.
2 into, we know tan 30 value. What is that? Very good, ma. 1 by root
1 by root 3, madam.
3, ma'am.
divided by 1 plus, what is tan 45?
1, ma'am.
1
1,
square.
madam.
So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by, what is 1 square? 1. What is 1 plus 1?
1, madam.
2.
1, 2, madam.
2 to get cancelled. So that is equal to how much?
1 by
1 by,
Root
1
3,
by root
madam.
3, ma'am.
1 by root 3, madam.
what is this 1 by root 3, ma? మనకు ఆ టేబుల్స్ లో 1 by root 3 ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Tan 30, ma'am.
Very good.
Tan 30.
Excellent, ma. Tan.
Only 2.
So
30, ma'am.
what is the option here? Is it sin 60? Sin 60 value enta? Root 3 by 2. So
Root
kaadu.
3 by
3 by
2.
2.
Cos 60 value enta? 1 by 2.
1
Kaadu.
by 2.
Sin 60 sin 30 value enta? 1 by 2. Kaadu.
1 by 2, ma'am.
Tan 30 value enta? 1 by
1
root.
by root
Root 3, ma'am.
1 by root 3, madam.
Option enti? C. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Take these problems as assignment, ma. Similar problems, ma. Similar problems. There is no change in that. Okay.
Yes, madam.
Similar problems. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Easily we can say the answer for this. What is tan 45?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus
1.
1, ma'am.
1 minus 1
1,
by
madam.
1
1
plus
minus
1.
1, madam.
0 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
0.
0
Whether
by
sin
2.
ma'am.
90 is 0? No. This is not the option. What is sin 45?
3, madam.
What is sin?
ma'am.
So this is not the option.
1 by root 2, ma'am.
So what's
1
the
by root 2,
answer?
madam.
What's the
D,
answer?
ma'am.
0, madam.
D.
C
0.
option.
In the similar way, you solve this also, ma. Okay. So you take these problems as assignment. Let us move to the next problem. Third one over. Let us move to fourth problem. Fourth problem. Okay. So find sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30? What do you conclude? So let us solve this. Consider sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So what is sin 60, ma? What is the value of sin 60? Very good.
Root 3 by 2, ma'am.
3 by
What
2,
is
madam.
cos 30, ma?
Root 3 by 2, ma'am.
Root 3 by 2, madam.
Root 3 by
What
2
is
whole
sin
square, ma'am.
30? What is sin
1 by
30?
2.
1 by 2, madam.
What is cos 60?
1 by 2, ma'am.
1 by 2,
ma'am.
1 by 2, madam.
Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. 2 into 2
Root 3 by
4.
4, ma'am. 3 by 4, ma'am.
1 into 1, 1.
1 by 4.
2
1
into
by
2,
4, ma'am.
4.
1 by 4, madam.
So what will be the answer, ma'am?
1 by
What is
1,
equal?
ma'am.
1 by 1
ma'am.
is nothing but 1. Okay.
1.
So what they gave here, what is the value of sine 60 plus 30? So consider sine 60 plus 30. What is 60 plus 30, ma?
Sine 90.
What is the
Sine
value of
90,
sine 90?
1.
1, ma'am.
91, ma'am.
If we observe these two, what we can conclude? Therefore, what you can say?
Both are
Very good.
Both are
Both are equal. That means sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 is equal to how much? Sine 60
One.
plus 30. That's the conclusion we got. That's what they asked. What do you conclude? These two are equal. Let us move to the next one, ma. Is it right to say cos 60 plus 30 equal to this one? So here they asked whether these two values are equal or not. For that, what we have to do? We have to find left-hand side separately. We have to find right-hand side separately. If they are equal, we say that, we conclude that they are equal. If left-hand side is not equal to right-hand side, we say that those two values are not equal. That equation is not correct. Clear? But many of the students, what they are doing, they are simply following the equation. They are writing both left-hand side and right-hand side. That's a blunder mistake, ma. Here they are not saying they are equal. They ask us to check whether they are equal or not. Is it clear? Whether my question is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So consider
ma'am.
left-hand side. Consider left-hand side. What is left-hand side, ma? Cos.
Sine
Cos.
60 plus 30.
No.
Cos.
Cos. What is that? Cos 60 plus 30.
Cos 60 plus
See the
30.
question. See the question, ma. Cos 60 plus 30.
30.
So consider cos 60 plus 30. What is 60 plus 30?
Cos
Cos
90.
90.
What is cos 90? 0.
0, ma'am.
So we
Zero, ma'am.
got left hand side is equal to how much, ma? 0. We keep that aside. We keep that aside. Okay. Now consider right hand side. What they gave, ma? In the right hand side, observe the question once. Cos 60, cos 30, sin 60, sin 30. So right hand side is cos 60, cos 30 minus
Sin 60.
sin 60, sin 30. So that is equal to, what is cos 60, ma?
1 by 2, ma'am.
1 by 2.
What is cos 30? 3 by 2.
Root 2, ma'am.
What is sin 60?
1 by
What
2.
is sin
3 by
30?
2.
3 by 2, ma'am.
Whether these
1
two
by 2, ma'am.
values are equal or not?
Equal, ma'am.
See, 1 by 2,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Equal, ma'am. 1.
Equal, ma'am.
This is equal to how much? 0.
1, ma'am. 0.
0.
So from this, what is right hand side?
0. Right.
0.
0.
0.
So what you can conclude? Left hand side is equal
LHS
to
equals
Both
to
are
RH.
Equal, ma'am.
LHS
LHS
is
equals
equal
to
to
RHS.
RHS. So we
Equal.
conclude that cos 90 plus 60 is equal to cos 30 plus 60 equal to
60 plus
cos 30 cos 60 minus sin
Minus
30 sin 60.
sin 60.
Is it clear?
Ma'am, reverse rational, ma'am.
30 plus 60. Okay, I will write in the same order. Okay, 60, 30. 60, 30. 60, 30. Okay, what is 1 into 2? Oh, sorry, 2 into 3, ma?
6, ma'am.
6.
What is 3 into 2?
6,
Ma'am. LHS
2
equals to
into
RHS.
3 is equal to 3 into 2. Okay, So cos of 60 plus 30 equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30.
30.
Clear? So
Yes,
let
ma'am.
us move to the next one. I think we completed this fifth one. Okay. In a right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. So while reading the question itself, it's better if we draw the right angle triangle. So we have a right angle triangle. Okay. Right angle triangle. Where is right angle, ma? At Q. That means here we have to write Q. This is P. This is R. Clear? And what they gave, PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. PQ. What is this value? 6. Clear? What is RPQ? RPQ. So what is this value? 60 degrees. What is this value, ma? What is this angle?
90 degrees.
90
what-
degrees.
Then what will
90
be this angle, ma?
60 degrees.
30, ma'am.
Very
ma'am.
good. 30, ma. This one is 30. Since sum of all the angles in a triangle is
180 degrees.
180 degrees. We got 90 here. So the combination of these two between should be 90. Already we got 60. So this will be 30. Now,
30.
what we have to find? We have to find QR and we have to find PR. Is it clear? Consider
Yes, ma'am.
consider this angle, ma. See here, for this one, what will be the side for angle P? What is this side PQ?
Adjacent side, ma'am.
Very
Adjacent
good.
side, ma'am.
Adjacent side. Adjacent side is in which the definition of a trigonometric ratio. Adjacent side అనేది మనకి ఏ trigonometric ratio లో ఉంది? Cos లో ఉంది.
Pasia, madam. Pasia, madam.
Cos లో ఉంది, tan లో ఉంది. Okay?
Tan A ఉంది,
So
yes, madam.
consider cos T. That is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 ki ఏంటమ్మా? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? PQ.
PQ, madam.
Q, ma'am.
What is
Six.
hypotenuse, ma?
R, madam.
You know what is the value of
PR,
cos
madam.
60? What is cos 60?
1/2, ma'am.
1/2,
1
madam.
by 2.
What is PQ? They gave
6, ma'am.
6,
6
madam.
by PR.
PR. Very good. PR is equal
12, ma'am.
to 12
6 into
centimeters.
2,
So we got this as 12 centimeters.
12 centimeters.
Okay. Next, what we have to find?
QR.
QR. How we find QR? This is opposite side.
10.
By Pythagoras theorem,
And,
madam.
ma'am.
By Pythagoras theorem, we can find by tan, we can find by sine also.
Sine.
Okay. So let us
Yes,
find that
madam.
with sine, ma. Sine P. What is sine P?
Opposite side by hypotenuse, madam.
What is opposite side?
Opposite
QR.
by hypotenuse.
QR.
What is
QR, madam.
hypotenuse? Ma?
PR, madam.
PR.
12, ma'am.
So what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by
Root
2.
3
Root
by
3
2,
by
ma'am.
2, madam.
What is QR, ma? QR we
don't
have
know,
to
ma'am.
find.
Two.
We have to find. What is PR, ma?
Q.
12.
12, ma'am.
12, madam. 12, madam.
Okay, 2 ones, 2, 6. So from this, what is QR, ma? QR is
Root 3,
equal
ma'am.
to, very good, ma, 6 into root 3 centimeters. 6 into root 3 centimeters.
Root 3, ma'am.
So we got, just they gave one angle and one length. That's all. From that, we got all the angles and all the sides. That's what we have to find. If you know adjacent side, we use either tan or cos, ma. If you know opposite side, we use sine or tan.
10.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us move to the next one. Let us move to the next problem. In a triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. So while reading, what we have to do? We have to draw the figure. So
Right
they
angle
have given a right angle triangle. Okay, they gave a right angle triangle. And what they told, right angle at Y. That means
90.
we have to take this as Y. This is
90
X.
degrees, madam.
This is Z. And what they gave, YZ is equal to X. And XZ is equal to 2X. Then they asked to find these angles. This is angle X. This is angle Z. Okay.
Why is it?
So what we have, in order to find X, we know opposite side and we know hypotenuse. Which one we use? Which trigonometric ratio we use? This is X, we know opposite side, we know.
Pythagoras theorem, ma'am.
No need. Hear my question carefully, ma. This is X, angle X. We know opposite side, we know hypotenuse. Which trigonometric ratio we have to use? Sin X.
Sin X.
Sin X.
Opposite side
Opposite
to
by
angle X by hypotenuse. What is that?
Hypotenuse, madam.
YZ by XZ. What is that? X by 2X.
X by 2x.
XX get cancelled. We got 1 by 2.
1 by 2,
So,
madam.
Sin X is equal to how much? 1 by 2.
1 by 2, madam.
What is 1 by 2 in terms of sine? Sine 30 degrees.
Sine
30 degrees, madam.
So
30
from
degrees.
this, what we can say, X is equal to how much? 30
30
degrees.
30
degrees, ma'am.
degrees.
30 degrees, madam.
Yeah, this one we got 30 ma. This we know it is 90. What it will be? Z.
60
60 degrees.
Well, how you got that? We know that.
Sum of all
Know
Bro, sum
that.
of
Yeah.
Sum of all
angles
all
are
angles in a
180
triangle.
degrees.
Angle X
Some properties.
plus
180.
angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180. What is
180
X? 30. What is
30.
Y? 90.
90
And
degrees.
we have to find Z. That is equal to 180
Z.
degrees. So angle Z is equal to 180
180
minus 90
minus-
is 90. 90 minus 30 is 60 degrees. That's
60
all.
degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is angle XYZ? 30. So angle Z is equal to 60 degrees. So from the triangle, what we can say? Angle YXZ is equal to 30 degrees. And angle YZX is equal to how much? 60 degrees.
60 degrees.
That's all. In this way, we have to find the angles of a right angle triangle when the sides are given. Let us move to the last problem. Last problem of this exercise. Is it right to say that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B? Let us check that. Let us check that by taking some examples, ma. So let
Yes, ma'am.
A is equal to 45 degrees. B is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Then what is A plus B, ma? 45 plus 45.
90
90,
degrees.
madam. 90
90
degrees,
degrees.
madam.
So from this equation, consider left hand side. Consider left hand side. What is that? Sine of A plus B. That is equal to sine of 90 degrees. What is sine 90, ma? 1.
One
So-
1, madam.
What is left hand side? We got 1. Clear? We got left hand side is equal to 1. Next, what we have to do? Consider left hand side, right hand side. What is that? Sine A plus sine B. So A, what is A, ma? Sine 45 plus sine 45
45.
degrees.
45.
What is sine 45, ma?
1 by root
1 by root 3,
by
madam.
root
By
2.
root 2, root 2, madam.
So what we got? 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Is it 1?
One,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, madam.
2 by root
4,
2.
ma'am.
2 by
2 by root 2. So what we got? Right hand side is equal to how much? 2 by root 2. Whether left hand side is equal to right hand side?
No, ma'am.
No, madam.
Not
So
equal.
what we have to
LHS
say?
is not equal to.
Left hand side is not equal to right hand side.
Right hand.
Right hand side.
Therefore, what we can conclude? Sine of A plus
Sin of
B
A
Plus B
is
not equal
sin
to
A plus sin B.
Sin
sin
A
A
plus sin B.
plus sin B. Very good, ma. Sin A plus sin B. See the complete problem once. I'm minimizing the screen. See the complete problem, ma, once. ఆహా ఏం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ ఇస్తున్నారా బాబు హమ్మింగ్ కూడా మళ్ళీ